What's up, everybody? Sam Chlebowski here from Motion.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate the forms that you've built on another tool like Jotform, Fillout, Gravity Forms, you name it, and migrate them into Motion.io in just about 30 seconds of work. And the secret to what makes this workflow so efficient is that it leverages the power of Motion.io's built-in AI form builder, which allows you to describe a form and have us create it automatically. Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. So up on my screen here, I have a client onboarding form that I built out on Jotform. And while this isn't the most complex or longest form in the world, it would still probably take me like 10, 12, 15 minutes to recreate. And I don't want to do that. So what I can do instead is that in my browser, I'm going to click Command minus to zoom all the way out so I can see the entire form. And then I'm going to hit Command Shift 4 on my Mac to take a quick screenshot of this form. And now with that screenshot created, I'm going to head into ChatGPT and I'm going to paste this prompt that I will add to the description of this video. But it basically says, hey, ChatGPT, using the screenshot I attached, create an HTML-based prompt I can paste into Motion.io's AI form builder. Now that I have that prompt in there, I'm going to click the plus symbol and add that screenshot I just created directly into it. And after just 11 seconds, I have the full prompt that I need. So I'll go ahead and click copy on this and then head back into Motion.io. I'll go to the Forms tab here, and then up top in the AI form builder, I will simply paste in that prompt I copied from ChatGPT and click create. And perfect. A couple of seconds later, I have an exact replica of my original client onboarding form I built on Jotform. And now that I have this form inside of Motion.io, I can attach it to tasks in my workflow templates and leverage Motion.io's other powerful features, such as automated reminders, to ensure that I don't have to follow up to make sure this form gets completed and I get the information that I need. So that does it for this video. Hopefully you found it useful. In the description of this video, I'll include a link to a step-by-step guide that explains the process in detail. And as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact our team at hello@motion.io.